Uncertainty is not a stop sign. It is a signal for you to look for more opportunities. I got a question for you. Are you spending more time justifying why you can't do something? Or are you really investing your time in figuring out how you can do the thing you want to do, how you can accomplish the thing that you desire to accomplish? We are in some times that I never really foresaw. Like, I've never seen this many people stressed out. I've never seen this many people fighting. I've never seen this many people struggling financially, physically, emotionally, mentally. And so I want you to understand that even in the midst of all of this chaos, you can find peace. Even in the midst of all of this chaos, you can find joy. Even in the midst of everything that we are seeing happen, you can still create the life that you desire. And so I don't want you to get to a place where you are so locked in on what is going wrong in your eyes that you're missing out on what is going right. And I need you to understand that you are going to be blessed either way. If they support you, you're going to be blessed. If they don't support you, you're going to be blessed. If they hire you, you're going to be blessed. If they don't hire you, you're going to be blessed. If they sing your praises, you're going to be blessed. If they persecute you, you are still going to be blessed. So don't allow what you're seeing and what you're hearing to disrupt your peace. I need you to be intentional about being happy, intentional about pursuing peace, about pursuing joy. I need you to be intentional about ensuring that you are living the type of life and lifestyle that you desire to live, even with everything that's going on. I want you to get to a place where you can tune out the noise and become laser focused. Laser focused on ensuring that you and your family are taken care of. Laser focused on ensuring that your mental health is where it needs to be. Your physical health is where it needs to be. Your finances are where they need to be. I need you to understand that worrying, being anxious, being sad, being afraid is not going to change anything. All you can do is all you can do. Like, there are some things that you don't have any control over, but what you can control is you. What you can control is your emotions. What you can control is how you show up every day. What you can control is your routine. What you can control is your ability to create, your ability to develop a plan and execute on that plan. Some of you are so scattered that you're not able to think clearly. So some of you are going to need to take a time out. I don't care if the time out is 30 minutes. Like, you need to just get to yourself and think, plan, strategize, and then execute. And you need to understand that disruption is your catalyst to your next breakthrough. Disruption is not to be feared. A lot of times when things happen unexpectedly, our immediate response is anxiousness. It's fear. It's, what am I going to do? What I want you to do is calm down and remind yourself that you are capable of handling any challenge that comes your way. I need you to remind yourself of your previous victories. I need you to remind yourself of all the times that you thought it was over, but everything worked out in your favor. I need you to understand that you have not come this far to come this far. But what I want you to do is begin looking for your next opportunity. Begin looking for your next breakthrough. Begin looking for the next blessing that will overtake you, the next breakthrough, the next opportunity that will change everything for you. That's what you need to be focused on. Not the gossip, not the negativity, not the going back and forth with people who don't have a vision for their own lives. I need you to ask yourself this question: where would I be if I had never stretched myself? Like, if I had never gotten out of my comfort zone. Like, when I think about that, I'm like, wow, I wouldn't even be close to where I am. Like, if I had not stretched myself to write a book, to become a speaker, if I had not stretched myself to leave home in my early 20s and move to a totally different state, like, that was scary. If I hadn't stretched myself to leave a six-figure position, right? And so a lot of times we are in this unhealthy relationship with our comfort zones, and that's the thing that's keeping us stuck. Sometimes you're in chaos because you're accustomed to it. It's not that you enjoy it. It's not that you're in a good place. It's that you're just staying there because you know it. Like, you know that chaos. You know that relationship. You know that job. But you know, like, if you really were to dig deep inside yourself, that you deserve more. You know it. You know you're not being treated the way you desire and deserve to be treated. You know. And so from today forward, I want to challenge you to self-assess. I want you to look at every area of your life and say, now, what areas am I playing small? Where do I need to upgrade? Is it in my thinking? Is it in my habits? Is it in my self-belief? Is it in how I show up? Is it in my routines? Is it my communication, right? And where can I stretch myself? Where am I playing small? What opportunities am I allowing to go under the radar because I don't feel like I can do it? I don't want you overthinking. You don't have to have all of the details. All you need to do is remind yourself of who you are. Remind yourself that you are equipped for this next season of your life. Remind yourself that you are to bet on you no matter what. Remind yourself that nothing and no one can come up against the destiny that has already been outlined for you. And so I don't want you to be overwhelmed by anxiety. I don't want you to be overwhelmed by uncertainty. I don't want you to be looking to the right or to the left. I need you to be laser focused. I need you to understand that there is light at the end of the tunnel. You don't need certainty to advance. All you need is the next right step. What is that for you? What is the next right step for you? Take a time out, clear your mind, get organized, get unscattered, and remind yourself that the best is yet to come. Until next time, take care.